The sensor is reading 45 liters on that center trough.
Confirmed on the handheld. Logging the data now.
Scan complete. Biometrics are stable.
Heart rate at 52, temperature normal.
Laser reads 30.5 inches. Curvature score is excellent.
Uploading data to the dashboard. This one gets the gold band.
Horn curvature is at 35.2 inches. Confirmed. Base diameter is strong. This one is definitely a gold tier.
Base diameter reading 15.2 centimeters. Curvature, excellent.
Noted. Surface integrity is clear. Coloration score 9, confirming gold tier status.
Gently now, watch your horns. Okay, boss, that's the second one loaded. 1042 and 143 checked, clear to proceed.
Clear on the ramp, boss.
Okay, cross-referencing 405 now, looks good. Secure the gate once they are fully in.
Scan successful. You're clear, driver. Slowly now.
Straight ahead, boys. Nice and easy.
Keep moving, you're doing great.
Blood pressure is optimal.
Clear readings on the liver.
Okay, check complete on panel 4.
Gate swinging to Bravo. Clear the lane.
Copy that. Scanning now.
UV shows some parasitic scarring here.
And a healed brand mark just below the midline. The grain quality is excellent otherwise.
The grain quality on this side is superb. Check the UV.
Agreed. The measuring tape confirms the uniformity.
We need exactly 1.2 millimeters on the top grain. Check the micrometer.
It's holding steady. The water spray is keeping the blade clean.
All right, manifest confirmed. Bay 4, northbound shipment. Copy that. Moving to Bay 4 now.
Manifest confirmed for Bay 3. Truck 72 is clear for departure.
As you can see through the magnifier, the grain is exquisite. We ensure full traceability. If you scan this QR code, it confirms the farm